Traveling to Bethlehem, no room at the inn in the birth of Jesus. Okay?
We're traveling to Bethlehem for the birthday. Do you have any room in the inn? Yes. You can stay. We're traveling to Bethlehem. We've been traveling for many days. Can we please have some room in the inn? No, the inn is full. Can we stay in the kitchen? Yes. She's pregnant. Can we stay at the inn? No, there's no room. But I'm having a baby. The only room is the stable. We'll stay in the stable.
Okay, so while they were staying in the stable, Jesus was born.
Ew. Yeah, aw. Beth, look.